Andrew, and today we're talking about how you can actually make money from ebooks. An ebook essentially is a digital version of a book. Now, an ebook compared to a physical book can be any number of pages, whether it's 5-page book, 7-page book, 15-page book, 30-page book, 100-page, or over. An ebook is anything that is a digital book, no matter how many pages it is, if it is a multi-page PDF or other file type that can be read digitally. I myself have written 2 books, one for the People of Video Conference of 2020, as well as the Income Booster 100 plus businesses you can start from home and ditch the 9 to 5, which will be available as soon as the printing is done